Hi everyone! Today I would like to go over how I clean my Louis Vuitton Damier Ebene bucket bag, which I purchased secondhand. Because the fact that it's a secondhand purchase and it was in fairly good condition, but still I like to clean it before I use it. So first I took baby wipe and just basically use the wipe and wipe it all over inside and outside of the bag, which I did already. This bag also had a little bit of the musty smell, so what I did was I used a container. I put some baking soda in there and put it inside the bag, and I also crumbled up some newspaper to surround the bag and put it all inside another plastic bag and seal it up. So the baking soda and the newspaper will absorb the smell. I had it sealed for like maybe 2 days. If you wanted to let it sit a little bit longer, that's fine, but it did do the job and it absorbed some of the musty smell. So today I will be using the Brasso metal polish, which you could purchase from Walmart or online. You could use Q-tip, just take a little bit of that and apply it on the hardware, and you could use just like rub it to get the hardware polish, because it is a little bit abrasive and does irritate skin, so I would recommend wearing a plastic glove. And I also have saddle soap along with a natural boar's head brush, which I will be using to clean the bag, and also a container for water. I also have a leather cream which I will be applying to the leather part of the bag to keep it conditioned. Before I do the cleaning, I actually condition the leather, because the cleaning, it will dry up the leather, so I wanted to do it before and after cleaning. And you can apply it with a microfiber cloth, the cream. So with that said, I'm going to start cleaning my bag. I will be cleaning the metalware first, because just in case if I do get the Brasso somewhere on the bag, wipe it down, and then later on when I clean the bag, I can clean that area, making sure that that polish is being removed from the bag. As you can see, I already did 2 legs using the Brasso polish, and this is the before and this is after, and you can see the difference from using the Brasso and applying with the Q-tip. So I will be cleaning these 2. As you can see, I put painter's tape around the foot so that when I apply the Brasso, it wouldn't get all over it. And after I clean it, you can see that the polish did remove a lot of the tarnish off. So just making sure that, getting it out, just using your Q-tip and getting the rest of the Brasso out. And it's very shiny. And see, it still removes like more as you go through it. And making sure to remove all, most of it, so that it doesn't stay on and get onto the rest of the bag. So I'm done cleaning the hardware. I removed the leather strip for the shoulder, and I will start cleaning it with the saddle soap. A little goes a long way, so just don't take too much. So as you can see, I cleaned it, and now I'm just taking a towel and just drying it. And for the first side, I think I might have put too much soap and it was really soapy. So just make sure that, you know, like I said, little goes a long way, and just don't overdo it. When you start, you know, just put a little bit and then dip it in water and get a good leather. So now I'm just trying it. So I cleaned the inside and I just wanted to let it dry. I cleaned the pockets as well, so I will be letting it dry overnight. But in the meantime, I'm going to condition the leather using the leather cleaner. I mean the leather cream. So I would put a little bit. And using the microfiber cloth and rub it all over on the leather part. And also do it to the straps, which I've taken off earlier to clean. The same thing, it's just applying it. So there you go, that's how I clean my Louis Vuitton Damier Ebene bucket bag, and I feel so much better now that it's nice and clean, and I'll be using this bag. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, please do so, and I will see you at the next video. Bye everyone!